Yo guys, what's up? Today I'm going to show you this epic pallet jump that I built. Super easy to do. If you have a free pallet laying around, build yourself a free jump like this one. All you need is two giant logs like this one, and a pallet like this one. You're going to put the pallet this way so that the tires can grip on the edges and not get stuck in the middle. So you're going to orient the pallet this way. Then you're going to get a bunch of 2x4s or other junk wood laying around. Build a little ramp that goes up to the edge of the pallet, and you can just leave those laying there like so. And then you're going to find yourself a little bit of a hill like this one. Going off this thing is like, it's like landing on a cloud made of butter. The landing is so soft and smooth because you get to go on this downhill. The first time I've built a downhill jump like that, so I love it. The only downfall is my run up to this is only like 20 feet long through the angles of the woods here on a little tiny trail that I just built. So don't have a lot of speed, but even though I don't have a lot of speed, it's still really fun. So let me just hit it a few times and show you guys how this thing works. Yeah, check out this little trail that I made through the hills here. So around the street, over the rocks, through the mud, and then crank it. Oh yeah, so smooth, so nice, so smooth. Do it again. Ah yeah. It'd be nice if I had like a bigger run up and could launch through the air extra far. That'd be so freaking fun. But I don't, so we're gonna have to build that someday. Try it one more time. Max range, max range. Every time I try to do max range, I almost hurt myself. Max speed, max speed. That's pretty fun. Short and sweet video today, guys. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.